This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making mince with potatoes and peas. We are going old school today. When this region was under British colonial rule, the locals adapted this dish and made their own version of mince and potatoes. The locals here use pork instead of beef, use spices like cinnamon and cloves, and also use soy sauce as a seasoning. I have here 250 grams of minced pork and 250 grams of minced beef. You can use all beef or all pork or any combination of both. Peel and cut up the potatoes into cubes. About a finger width in size. Now, chop up one large onion. We will also need 150 grams of frozen peas, 1 stick of cinnamon, and 3 cloves. In a hot pan over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the onions and fry them till they are translucent. Now, add in the minced meat. Break up the minced meat as you fry them. When the meat is no longer pink, add in the potatoes, one tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 stick of cinnamon, 3 cloves, and 150 ml of water. Mix this well and bring it to a boil. Lower the heat to a simmer and cover. Let it simmer till the potatoes are soft. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. At the end of 5 minutes, test to see if the potatoes are tender. When the potatoes are tender, add in the frozen peas and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Give this another minute. Add in a little more water if it gets too dry. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Mine needs a little bit more soy sauce. This is mince with potatoes and peas.